Each year, thousands of agriculture workers suffer from pesticide poisoning due to manual spraying. A startling fact, isn't it? These brave individuals face a hidden danger every day, the chemical exposure leading to health issues that range from respiratory problems to skin irritations. And it doesn't stop there. The long-term consequences can be even more severe, with some cases leading to conditions like cancer. The question then arises, is there a safer, more efficient way to spray our crops? Enter the world of drone technology, a game changer in the field of agriculture. Traditionally, manual spraying exposed farmers to harmful chemicals, but now drones are transforming this narrative. These airborne devices, equipped with advanced sprayers, are revolutionizing the way we manage our fields. They have the ability to substantially reduce the use of chemicals, making farming more eco-friendly while maintaining crop health. The precise application of pesticides and fertilizers minimizes wastage and ensures that each plant gets the right amount of care. But that's not all. Drones also significantly cut down the time required for spraying. Imagine completing a day's work in just a few hours without breaking a sweat. The benefits don't stop there. Increased safety, enhanced efficiency, and cost-effectiveness are just some of the advantages farmers can reap. With drone technology, farmers can protect their crops, their health, and their wallet. But how can one tap into this revolutionary technology? Well, the future is already here with the Integrated Drone Training Academy. We have a range of courses and comprehensive training sessions tailored for farmers and agriculture professionals. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned professional, our academy is equipped to help you master the art of using spray drones effectively. The possibilities are endless. Take the future into your hands. Join the Integrated Drone Training Academy today and revolutionize the way you farm.